Welcome to Electronism, where innovation meets curiosity. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of electronics.
In this video, we will learn about capacitor. What is capacitor? What is inside the capacitor? What are the basic principles of capacitor? What are the types of capacitor? And what are the application of capacitor? These are the topics that we will cover in this video. So let's get started. So let us have an introduction to the capacitor. Can you get the function of capacitor? You will get the answer from the word capacitor. The term capacitor means to store something, and how much is stored, that is what the capacity. In electronics, a capacitor is a device which stores electric charge, and how much is stored is what the capacitance. Capacitance is nothing but a capacity. The unit of capacitance is farad. So let me explain what is the use of this unit. Let us take one example. Suppose you have two capacitors. One capacitor value is 25 volt and 10 microfarad, and second capacitor value is 25 volt and 100 microfarad. What makes the difference? Consider that these both capacitors are fully charged, and when you discharge it, the first capacitor, whose value is 25 volt and 10 microfarad, will discharge soon as compared to the second, that is 25 volt and 100 microfarad. So the capacity of a capacitor is directly proportional to the farad unit. Let us explore the internal material of a capacitor. Before we go to the diagram, let me explain the basic thing. Inside the capacitor, there are two conductive plates which is separated by a dielectric material. Dielectric material is an insulator. These two plates can never be in contact. So let us move to the diagram. There are two metal foil which is connected to the two conductive plates. These both metal foil are not in contact. There is a dielectric material. You can see in this diagram. This is wounded around the two conductive plates in a cylindrical form. You can make this capacitor at your home by using aluminum foil as a metal foil and paper as a dielectric. Let us know the basic principle of capacitor. Capacitors store electrical energy in the form of electric field. When an electric charge flows through the wire, it produces electric field around the wire. As there is a dielectric material between two conductive plates, there is only electric field which stores electrostatic potential energy or electrical charge. One side it will store positive charge and another side it will store negative charge, as you can see in this diagram. There are so many types of capacitors. All the capacitors are divided into two parts, that is polarized and non-polarized. There are two types of capacitor in polarized category, that is electrolytic and tantalum. And there are four types of capacitor in non-polarized, that is ceramic capacitor, film capacitor, variable capacitor and super capacitor. We will learn all the type of capacitor in the next video. Each video for each type of capacitor. There are four main applications of capacitor. First, for the filtration, the capacitors are used. For example, a rectifier circuit. Second, for the feedback circuit, a capacitor are used. Third, to provide initial power to the fan, the capacitor are used. And fourth, to prevent the voltage fluctuation, the capacitor are used. So I hope you have learned about the basic concept of capacitor. In the next upcoming videos, we will learn about the different type of capacitor in detail. In the next video, we will learn about the ceramic capacitor. Stay tuned.